So I got myself a new NVMe drive for my PC, and if you're like me, you only have one M.2 port on your PC. So here's a solution for you if you need more ports. I got this M.2 PCI Express card for my PC. So it plugs into PCI Express and it gives you one more new M.2 port on your PC. So inside of it comes with the card itself, some accessories and a manual, of course. This is just a generic brand, but you can also use other brands as well. There's plenty of them available. And then of course the card itself. It's a really simple device really. It just has the M.2 port on it and then a PCI Express lane at the bottom and a bracket for it. Let's hook it up. So here we have the M.2 drive and then it just slots in like the internal M.2 drive as well. Here you have to screw it in. There's a place for it on the card, and yeah, you get screws for it to put it in there, and yeah, just screw it in. It's really simple stuff. And then here it is screwed in nice and tight. So next up, let's hook it up to the PC. I have to screw off the old PCI Express bracket. But yeah, I just pull it out, screw it out, and then put the new card in. And of course, back screw it in. So here's how it looks. It's just below the GPU and it's just screwed in there. It's really not noticeable inside the case at all. When you boot it up, you can see it here on my machine. It shows up as the Western Digital drive. The Samsung is the old drive that I had on the internal M.2 slot. And here you can see on KD Partition Manager, here it is showing up instantly. So no need to do anything on the BIOS or anything. So yeah, in the end, I just made a new partition for it and then it mounts up in Linux or Windows like any other internal drive. Hopefully this video helped you install additional NVMe drive to your PC. Thanks for watching and on to the next one.